National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Black Forest, or 15 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Colorado Springs, Calhan, Black Forest, and Peyton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.